anniversary, JCRC Realty. So maraming salamat po sa 8 taon na walang sawang pagsuporta at pagsisikap na ang JCRC Realty ay continuously makabless ng mas maraming tao. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sellers na nag-stay, sa lahat po ng clients na patuloy na sumusuporta at continuously nagbibigay ng tiwala sa company. Especially maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng developers na sumusuporta sa JCRC Realty, including the management din. And syempre maraming salamat sa partner ko. Hindi magtatagal na 8 taon ang JCRC Realty kung hindi naging matatag ang aming pagsasama. Kasama na dyan lahat ng sellers, developers, clients, management na patuloy na nagtitiwala sa company.
Once I get it started.
Happy 8th anniversary po sa inyo. Naway marami pa tayong taon na pagsasamahan at marami pa tayong mabibentang projects ni Elan Vital. So mabuhay kayo, JCRC. Thank you and congratulations.
I'm feeling like a brand new me.
We are grateful na laging nandyan ang JCRC sa amin. Talagang isang lambing lang namin, hindi nyo kami pinababayaan. So, thank you for always supporting us sa lahat ng project namin. Vertical and horizontal. So, thank you very much and God bless everyone.
Down. Dancing to my own big cherry on the top, sweet. Everything around me is looking up. If life is what you make it, I'ma celebrate it.
Thank you sa lahat ng suporta na binigay nyo sa mga clients namin, sa sellers and team leaders, sa management, and also sa mga real estate developers na walang sawang sumusuporta sa JCRC Realty. So without you, hindi magiging successful ang JCRC Realty. And with that, we are very grateful na imbitahan kayo dito sa aming anniversary, and let's enjoy and let's celebrate success to more years and to more sales with us.
Maraming salamat!
Thank you!
I was listening, so clear, got that 20/20 vision. It was in me all along. All I had to do was listen to that heartbeat down inside of my chest. The little voice in the back of my head saying, one day.
Ayan, so maraming salamat. Hopefully, tumagal pa tayo 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, hanggat yung mga anak natin is sila na mismo yung generation na tumutulong sa mas maraming tao. At 8 years yung impact na ginawa natin sa real estate. Sana itong JCRC Realty is maging blessing pa sa mas maraming tao. Kaya lahat na nandito, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So let's cheers for 8 years of JCRC Realty! Woo!